SciCurious. If there were worlds, oceans, or even bacteria, could we tell without ever setting foot on another planet? NASA believes we can. It's how we hunt for biosignatures in the atmospheres of other worlds. Because who has time for interstellar road trips anyway? Since the 1990s, Kepler and TESS have found thousands of planets orbiting other stars. But that's just step one. Finding planets is like cosmic hide-and-seek. Now we need to peek inside their atmospheres.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Seluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
The next challenge is asking what their air is made of, because atmospheres are where life leaves its fingerprints. In 2019, astronomers used Hubble to detect water vapor around a planet called K2-18b. It was our first hint that we could study alien weather from across the galaxy. When a planet crosses a star, tiny fractions of that starlight pass through its atmosphere. Different molecules absorb specific colors, leaving telltale gaps in the spectrum, like a chemical barcode. By analyzing those lines, NASA can identify oxygen, ozone, methane, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. A combination of oxygen and methane in particular is powerful on Earth. Those gases coexist only because life constantly replenishes them. The James Webb Space Telescope is the most sensitive spectrograph ever built. It can detect molecules in the air of planets smaller than Neptune. Its targets include the seven TRAPPIST, one world's rocky planets bathed in a red sun. Of course, chemistry can mimic biology. Volcanic eruptions or photochemical reactions can create oxygen and methane without life. So, is that a volcano or an alien barbecue? Science to the rescue! So scientists look for context, ratios, climate models, and spectral patterns that no simple physics can reproduce. Next-generation missions like LUVOIR and HABEX will block the light of stars entirely, letting us see pale blue dots directly and search for their own Earthshine spectra. Fun fact, if aliens pointed a JWST-like telescope at Earth, they'd see strong oxygen, ozone, and a thin signature of chlorophyll, the red edge of vegetation reflecting infrared light. Earth itself is the template for detecting life elsewhere. We reverse engineer our own planet to teach telescopes what to look for. One of NASA's biggest lessons so far, it's not about finding a single molecule, it's about finding a system in balance. Life doesn't just exist, it changes its world chemically. Imagine, what if the first sign of life we find is a cosmic sneeze from a methane-belching microbe? Retention booster activated. In the coming decades, we'll turn light from hundreds of planets into chemical portraits. Somewhere among them may be a world with clouds of oxygen, oceans of water, and a hint of green reflected toward us, proof that we're not alone. From a faint beam of starlight, we can read the breath of another world. The universe is whispering its chemistry to us, and NASA is learning to listen. Curious for more? Subscribe for more cosmic curiosities and join the hunt for life's secrets.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.